Harri and I have been through a lot together, and we're very different in some ways, and sometimes that creates challenges that we've bravely and relentlessly worked on. The future is uncertain. It's full of peril and joy and tedium and adventure, and we'll face it together, finding each other's hands in the darkness and holding our faces in the warm sunshine. I love you.
I would say you're both lucky to have each other, but we all know it's not luck, but hard work, intention, dedication that has brought you here today. You show us what a relationship based on shared values can look like. You show how honest and raw communication can help us overcome challenges that arise when there's love between two people. That it's possible to support each other's dreams and to nurture your communal goals. That you can build a love that doesn't finish at your doorstep, but emanates out to the world, creating ripples of positivity and kindness that touches many lives.
Harri has always had a hugely caring outlook on the world, and I think it's this love for people on our planet that was the hibernating seed inside that would fully blossom when a chance meeting with Willy would happen. A rebel with a cause and a vision for change. He was the light and warmth that allowed Harri to grow and become the amazing, radiant, technicolor, glittering human that she is today.
These are our intentions, to the best of our abilities, at all times, knowing that sometimes we will mess up.
I promise to communicate my needs as I know them and to support you in getting your needs met.
I promise to always celebrate your wins.
I promise to always make jokes at inappropriate times.
I promise to try and screw the lids back on things from now on.
I promise to always bring up difficult shit and be honest if I mess up.
I promise to face whatever the future holds, holding your hand.
Harri and Willy, as your hands are bound together by this cord, so too shall your lives be bound as one. May you forever be one, sharing in all things, in love and loyalty for all time to come. And as we are joined together with you in this hand fasting, may you know our delight and draw upon our support for you, our beloved wedded couple, Harri and Willy. Please seal the ceremony with a married kiss. Yeah.
Since being Willy, I talk more to strangers. I offer more help to people. I take more time to ask people how the day is going. I tell people that we've got to look after each other, which I sort of did before, but not like I do now. And I do them because I've met you. I'm incredibly proud to know you, to be your friend, and to call you my husband.
And one thing that I would change about you, babe. Ain't one thing that I would change about you, baby. Ain't one thing that I would change. You're so damn perfect in every kind of way. Your beauty shines both night and day. Won't you come a little closer? Lay your sweetness down. Let me my dream come true. I feel alive when I'm with you. Won't you come a little closer? Lay your sweetness down. Let me love you in more ways than one. Ain't one thing that I would change about you, babe. Ain't one thing that I would change about you, baby. Ain't one thing that I would change. Your eyes the way your body moves as you take to the floor. You got me feeling hot, higher than I've ever felt before. Won't you come a little closer? Lay your sweetness down. Let me love you in more ways than one. Ain't one thing that I would change about you, babe. Ain't one thing that I would change about you, babe.